Hello, this is Savage, and today I'm going to tell you how to make money by selling, by taking pictures and selling for profit. And this is part of ClickBank. So there's like a program, like a affiliate program of clickbank.com. So it's 100% legit. All you gotta do is upload your product, upload your photos, and sell it on the internet. And you can earn as much money. There's no limit how much money you can earn from your pictures you sell on the internet. Yay. There's a affiliate program. You can join their affiliate program. Okay, let's see. Okay, earn 70%. Goes up to about $250 per sale. 70% is the commission you earn. Because you're the original. You can test their offer, send us 200 clicks, and expect 46 sales. 80% commission for affiliates. Okay. So if you just get commissions, so you can get commission 70% is your commission just for selling your your pictures and getting refer more people coming to the website. So referring people, you'll get 7% commission, like friends, families, and so forth. 80% commission will be for the affiliate program. When you earn about 100 plus daily, over 100 people daily per sale. You need a ClickBank ID to get started. If you don't have one, click here to sign up. So you have to do clickbank.com, create an account right there. Then you can connect the affiliate program on photo jobs, so you can earn commission, and you use their link. Once you see the link that generated from ClickBank, go visit your ClickBank ID and then URL. Okay, let's see how they get paid. Website, earn money through the website, any claims, and then based on the level of success, they're not responsible for any of your actions. Okay. So you pretty much look like you'll be paid by, usually common ones are PayPal, direct deposit, or a physical check. If you like the show, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye.